Hello guys, this is Natalie from Texas, and today I'm going to give you an update of my garden, how everything is growing there. Today is 8th May and it's pretty sunny. We got a bunch of rain last week, so let's see how everything is growing. Okay, this is our zucchini. Everything is in bloom, growing. Yeah, so I need to put this cover because you can see how they're like now midnight afternoon sun. Oh, this is our tomatoes. With tomatoes, we need to cut the suckers. See, this is like suckers here that take energy from the main stem. Okay, and let's check out. This is also, see, it's like growing in the middle. We need to cut it and we can use it as a separate plant. And you could put this in the water. Oh, we'll have to add more water. Then in a couple weeks it would be roots and we can plant as a separate plant. Let's look through more of them. The small we'll just cut, and a big one we will use as a separate plant. Let's see. Okay, I think I don't see anything. And it's like, okay. Alright. Let's look at this plant. You can see this one, huh? This one. I need to see this. Okay. Alright. Let's see if there is more. I guess that's it. So this is how it looks like a garden with tomatoes, peppers. This is our strawberry. Strawberry. See, this is a strawberry. Oh, they're dirty. So sweet. Oh, look at these guys. Huh? Oh. Oh, look at this. A lot of it. So it's probably already really good. Yeah. And this is a reddish. Look at it. It's almost. Yeah. See? It's growing. While the heat is not that bad, everything is growing. But hopefully we'll get something by June But these strawberries are really good, huh? I don't know if they're going bigger, but pretty cool. And with a lot of flowers. This is our grapes. Let's look at other grapes. We planted grape here. New plant. We planted see, new plant here. Okay. So this would be our new tomatoes. We have to keep them in water and wait for a couple of weeks to see the roots and plant them in this soil. This is our potatoes. See, this is our potatoes and onions. Everything is growing for right now. And here this is our new, we bought more peach trees. We're going to plant them also in our garden. See, they're ready to go. And here it's a new way of growing potatoes. It's Amish style, horizontal style. There's special kinds of potatoes. You plant them in these towers, and once the green stem shows up, you put more soil in and hay, and from all these potatoes, it would be one stem would be several layers with potatoes. Alright, here our tulips. I planted tulips and they're growing. Here's one more grape. This is how peach trees doing. That we had disease last season was all this syrup on it. Had disease probably because it was raining, but we'll see if there's any small peaches here. Oh yeah, see? Peaches. Peaches. Small peaches. Peaches. Small peaches. Yeah. Hopefully there would be not any diseases and squirrels will not eat all the peaches. Okay. So our flowers blue bonus almost gone. See, it's like almost gone. It's just their seeds. This is our another peach tree. It's growing good. Let's see if we have small peaches here. Yeah. Right here. I don't see as many as another tree. Kind of late, I guess, will come up. Oh, yeah. They were ready with syrup. Again, I think it will be this disease again. Yeah. This tree sap or whatever it's. I don't know. This is nectarine. But I saw nectarines only once. The first year when we planted it. Alright, let's continue. This is our roses. They always comes and goes. Come and go like all time. And bloom like many times a year. See here. This is our new like raspberry tree. Raspberry and blackberry. So we're going to plant them all around this shed. So this is my watermelons. See? I put this thing to prevent the weed. Okay. So then I put the mulch that worked because always watermelons were in grass and they were rotting because it was always wet. Okay, this is how you can see they're growing better in the sun. But the problem is in June, July, August, it's not too much sun. Alright. Alright guys, this is how our garden looks like. We have a bunch of projects to plant more trees, more vegetables. Yeah, soon the whole yard would be vegetables and trees. But hopefully we'll get any crop. Alright guys, this is one update for the 8th May. It's going to be sunny and sunny, hotter and hotter. It will be hotter and hotter to keep this growing. So, but hopefully we'll make it. Would like you to subscribe to my channel, put the likes, and see you in my next update.